Hello and welcome to Washington Exec's video series. I'm Amanda Ziadeh, Senior Reporter with Washington Exec, and today I'm joined by Rob Sheen, Senior Vice President of Client Operations at Novetta. Thank you so much for joining me today, Rob.
Hi, Amanda. Thanks for having me.
All right, so today we're here to continue the conversation on the pandemic's impact on the industry and its clients, some new solutions that have come to light since then. So Rob, I wanted to start by asking how the pandemic has affected your contracts. I understand you have some customers dealing with different aspects of combating the COVID-19 pandemic.
We do. We've had a few new things come up actually that we're very fortunate to be able to help with in the time of COVID, and specifically a couple of the projects that we've been working on are a medical common operating picture to help track logistics and supply and how to organize and communicate across those different communities of practice so that they can get out, and we were able to rapidly deliver that and collect the requirements and push that out. And that's being used by several different groups right now. We've also been able to use our media analytics platform to help measure the rumor and disinformation spread across the African continent, as well as working with CDC Africa on the public sentiment and perception of how the government is handling the health crisis over in Africa.
So can you tell us about some of the solutions you've delivered?
Sure. The medical common operating picture runs on the Amazon Web Services infrastructure that we've got set up, and it's allowed us to do some continuous integration and monitoring and push updates in real time. We also use a lot of agile practices to be able to rapidly update and deploy those within requirements. We also are looking at the media analytics type platform where we're combining traditional media and public sentiment, and that's inside our Novetta media analytics tool that we're able to pull new data into and analyze and provide rapid turnaround on measuring that public sentiment in terms of response to new policies or plans or broadcasts.
And we did hear from Tiffany in May that nearly all of your staff were able to transition to working from home. Did that change the way that you operate at all?
It did and it didn't. We were fortunate to have a number of both customers as well as employees who were ready to begin working from home and making that switch. And so there were certainly some hiccups in the beginning. We've started operating and trying to tackle the challenge of communication and making sure that that's a major component to getting our job done. And so we've moved some things online that were previously in person, and we'll continue to do those probably well into the future, put in a post-COVID world as well, because they've been very effective. Some of those things are a demo series that we do on Lunch and Learns every Friday, where we're presenting different customer or technology solutions across our team. And so the entirety of our company can log in and see the type of work that's available across Novetta and what their colleagues and friends are doing, as well as potentially learn about a new technology. Our innovation lab has started an academy that runs every Thursday that is just general, hey, here's something to know. It could be a new machine learning algorithm that they've looked at, but it could be as simple as here's how to brew beer, or here's something that is introducing a new game or some other new technology that they're working with in the lab, just to kind of keep things going in a friendly communication, let's get together and see each other on a screen and be safe kind of way.
Well, thank you so much for sharing all that with us. We'll be sure to, touch base as well in the next few months, but hopefully we'll be able to see you soon in person.
That'd be great. I'd love to, and thank you for having me on.
All right.